Hello. These are some of my canaries. The one in the front there, I really like that bird. She's variegated with light brown. They call it cinnamon. That bird right there is the father of the rest of them. Oh, they like the sunshine. Try to push it in the sunshine. This is a nice little bird too. It's a baby from this year. There's a pair in here, and they're the parents. There are 8 babies in this cage. These two are nice. I like both of these birds, particularly the cinnamon one in the back. Who's this? I like you too. The twigs that are in here are willow trees. On my walk a week ago, I picked some willow branches, and I fed them to the canaries a lot. And they ate off every leaf, as you can see. It's good for them. I lived on a cattle ranch, and I remember they said that the willow has aspirin in it, and the animals like to eat it. It's soothing. And these two are nice birds. This pair of birds had like 15 babies. Wow, they had a majority of my babies. These are 2 of the babies. They just cranked them out. Gosh, I couldn't get them to stop. Finally, they stopped. And they're good parents too. Wow. Here's some more. I'll show you some more. And they had kind of a mutation. They had a couple babies that had a different pattern. I'll pan out. Different pattern on there. Oh, okay, I forgot to give them they want the alfalfa. Okay, guys. Get ready, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. You don't have to get scared. They're kind of a little scaredy. You kind of get scared easy. Okay, guys. Here's some alfalfa. Yeah, there's 10 birds in this cage, and it's a hen and a singer and 8 of their babies. I lost some birds out the window this year. I was heartbroken, but I think I lost about 4 of their babies, but I still have a bunch. And I'll just have to have a do-over next year. I'm sorry, guys, you don't have to be afraid. Here are those 2. They're kind of tame. Sometimes these ones have been kind of wild. There's a dark-colored one. That dark-colored one that's over there looking around. She has a different wing pattern. Oh no, that's a cinnamon. Oh, isn't she nice? That's that cinnamon hen. This pair carries cinnamon and opal, which is that light gray. That's the father right there. And these are 2 babies. But there's another dark bird in here. There he is. Oh, he's eating. That bird right there. He's got a different, I swear it's a mutation on his shoulder, on his wing. I call them the scallop birds. I had some in the past, and I forgot and I sold them. And it's some wings on their feathers that are dark with like a scallop pattern. And I had it scalloped in yellow one time. That's cool, but I forgot. Anyway, and 2 that flew away had it even more so. That's a nice little bird right there. That's one of the babies. Oh, there's that cinnamon. Some of them kind of don't mind me filming them. They're molting right now. It's the middle of August. They were born this spring. Okay, I'll come back out of the cage. For For a long time, I just wasn't into yellow canaries, but what the heck? Yellow canaries are cool. Too many twigs, sorry to see. Yeah, that bird, okay, it's hard to see, but he's got I swear he's kind of got a mutation in his feathers, kind of on his shoulder, by the wing. I can't see it right now. You know, he's all dark. I like a all dark bird. For some reason, I just wanted the light ones, but then somebody said, you want some dark ones, and I do want some dark ones. You know, they're so athletic. Watch them reach down and do that. Oh, they have willow, yeah, the willow leaves, the willow branches. I like natural twigs. I think they like them too. Okay, we'll come down here. Oh, they're all down there. What the hell, she's scaring us. Okay. Some of these are kind of a hard feather, dark yellow. That's awesome. Yeah, they're all the siblings. And their parents are closely related, so I kind of hated to pair up closely related birds, but that's all I had. And they had a ton of babies, so I'll just make sure I pair up. Oh, that's a real pretty one. That's that real dark yellow. The dark yellow is awesome. I mean, I like light yellow too. But they're getting, oh, here's that other dark one up there. That's the one that has kind of something different. And there are two more. Oh, I'm glad I have her. Why there? Yeah, I like natural sticks. I think it's better for their feet. Oh, there's that one. I'll zoom out. Somebody made me this cage. I use these water bottles. I've been trying to have 2 waters on each cage because boy, you really want them to have water. They die quick without any water, I discovered a long time ago, but yeah, the light, it's kind of later in the afternoon, the light's a little long. Let's see if I can get These guys are a little wilder than my redbackers. I'm not sure why. Yeah, I like yellow birds. I don't know what I was thinking when I didn't like yellow birds for a while. I need a white bird. I had white in the past. These birds are good flyers too. I've let them out and they fly around the room. I like them to be good at flying because they are birds. Okay, I'll come over here. I was aware of all these birds when they were an egg. These are all babies we're looking at. We're in the spring. The parents are, the only reason the parents are in here with them is just because I want to keep them separate. They look so much. I have some other birds that look exactly like them. I'm trying to keep them, know who they are, because I want to pair them up again next year. So it just keeps them so I know who they are. I usually can tell by their markings who's who, but boy, I've got some birds that really look a lot alike. I haven't been banding my birds. I know if I banded them, I could look at the number and I'd know for sure. But I just haven't been banding them. Because it seems like, actually that's a pretty little bird. I know this one in the background doesn't look so great. I mean, she's young, but she'll fill in. Anyway, it seems like the bands, I mean, that's fine if other people do it. Well, if I'm going to have trouble, it's going to be on the banded leg. So I don't know. I just don't like doing it to them. I just kind of remember who they are as individuals. I need to take better notes, though. I'd like to take some better notes. These guys are little... That's a nice one with that little dark left wing. I'm going to keep the parents out of here, and then 2 babies. Maybe a couple more. You can only keep so many. I've got 32 canaries at this moment. I keep track of how many I have, of course. I'd like to sell 16. I'll keep 16. But I would like to have 10 pair next year. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.